Missing fence boards? Don't start replacing them just yet. You might be skipping the most important step. Fence boards go missing for a lot of reasons. Heavy storms, rotting wood, or poor installation. But replacing the board without checking the cause first can lead to more damage and more money spent down the road. Start by inspecting the structure. Are your posts wobbly? Are your horizontal rails sagging or cracked? Replacing boards without a solid frame is just a temporary fix. Fix the structure first, then replace the boards. Next, match your materials. Use the same wood type and thickness as your existing fence, whether that's cedar, pine, or pressure-treated lumber. A mismatched board won't just look off. It could also age and weather differently, leading to more repairs later. Don't just slap the new board on. Use galvanized nails or exterior-grade screws to avoid rusting. Attach it securely to both the top and bottom rails, not just one. This gives your board stability and helps it withstand wind and movement. Finally, protect your investment. Apply a high-quality, weather-resistant stain or paint to the new board. And your whole fence if it hasn't been treated in a while. This protects the wood from rot, UV damage, and moisture. Sometimes missing boards are a sign of a bigger issue. If you're unsure about the stability of your fence or you see signs of structural rot, it's time to call in the pros. Fence repairs don't have to be a headache. Whether you're replacing a single board or fixing major damage, it helps to have experienced hands on your side. Need help? Give us a call or visit our website today.